Continuing the series of videos introducing our control system configurator software, as covered in previous videos, the first page here will be for your project information, the second for configuring the hardware devices that are connected to the controller. The page that we're going to be covering today is the design aspect of the user interface. So if we click here, you can see this is the page you are going to have. First two things here on top, you have mobile devices and then you have keypad. To cover the mobile devices, you can configure it with multiple types of mobile devices that you might want to use it as the control interface. So you can integrate with iPad, Retina, Mini iPad, and so on. Not to mention, we also support all Android devices and Windows devices. The next thing you want to do is choose what kind of graphics you are going to use. So for example, if you choose the blank, you will have a blank page where you can actually customize all the graphics you want. Then we have added two themes here, A10 theme 1 and A10 theme 2. Another thing we can cover is the keypad. For the keypad, we have the VK108US, which is already released. We will soon have the 112EU. For the 108US, as you can see, it has 8 keys, but you can also configure it with different setup or different layouts of keys. As soon as you choose a different layout of keys, you can also choose the layout of the box itself. How are these 6 keys going to fit in the box? Another thing you want to cover here is the controller ID. Now, in the case we have more than one controller, it will show here with different IDs, and then you can actually specify which controller this keypad will be connected to. Also, in the case that you're adding more than one keypad to one single controller, you will need to specify a different ID for each and every keypad that is added. Now let's go back to the mobile device here, and let's start a project with one of A10 theme, and in this case we'll be using theme 2. As soon as you click on it, you will choose it, and if you press done, you go to the next page. In this page, as you can see, is every single page created in this preset. So you have here the home page, which correspond to this page, light correspond to light, video wall, signage, hybrid, and so on. So every single page available in this page should be available on the list on the left. And as soon as you click on any page on this list, you will have a full view of the page. As covered in previous video, you can click on the page, zoom in, zoom out, so you can have a better view of the page. This was the intro video to the design page. Thank you.